Yo, Anukool here from the AI Marketing School, where we turn your online hustle into a money-making machine. Now, I know what you're thinking. YouTube Shorts can't possibly be a gold mine, right? Well, buckle up, because what I'm about to share will make you rethink everything. Forget what you've heard about short-form content being, just for fun. I'm talking about turning those quick, bite-sized videos into serious cash. And I'm about to show you how. Let's get into it. Alright, let's dive straight into it. YouTube Shorts, they're short, sweet, and easy to make, right? But here's the big question, can they really make you money? You bet they can, and I'm not talking about just pennies here. I'm talking about full-time income, digital dimes turning into online dollars. Now, if you've ever thought, nah, shorts don't pay, you're not alone. It wasn't long ago that YouTube didn't pay for shorts at all, but here's the twist. Last year, YouTube launched a program where they started paying 10 to 20 cents per 1,000 views on Shorts. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, that's not much, hear me out because getting a ton of views with Shorts is way easier than long-form videos. And here's why. Unlike traditional YouTube videos, you don't need a massive following or millions of views to see some cash rolling in. And let's face it, the barrier to entry on Shorts is so much lower than full-length videos. You could easily get your first viral hit with just a simple idea and some clever editing. You know what? Here's a fun thought. Remember when you thought TikTok was the go-to for short videos? Well, TikTok's like the cool party everyone's at. But YouTube Shorts is where the money's at. You're getting more views with less competition, my friend. However, don't go making the mistake of thinking that a viral video will guarantee you big bucks right away. The key is to keep posting. Consistency is everything with Shorts. Upload at least once a day and build that audience up. Now let's talk about how to make this work for you without burning out. I know you're busy. Heck, we all are. That's why I want to introduce you to the SAS system, Shorts AI system. SAS? Sounds like a top secret operation, right? But seriously, it's your shortcut to making viral shorts without all the stress. The SAS system uses AI software to create, optimize, and repurpose content at scale. You can churn out tons of videos without lifting a finger. And yes, I said tons. We're talking about multiple shorts per day across different niches. And it doesn't even have to take up your time. AI does the heavy lifting. But here's the deal. Don't expect to just set it and forget it. While this system automates a ton of stuff, you've still got to be strategic about which videos you upload. Make sure your content is engaging, and always add a personal touch to your AI-generated content. You want your audience to feel your vibe. Here's where it gets really exciting. AI-generated videos. You've seen it on TikTok, right? But YouTube is taking it to the next level. Imagine creating a video in under 30 seconds that could go viral across millions of viewers. No camera setup, no editing software. You just choose a topic, select your AI voice. Yep, you can even pick my voice if you want. And boom, you've got yourself a video. Remember, the magic here isn't just in the creation, it's in the repurposing. Don't just pump out random videos. Repurpose what works. For example, if you hit gold with a video about countries to retire on $1,000, create a whole series on similar topics. A little tweaking, a fresh angle, then you've got more content that could go viral again. The AI software can help you churn this out without you having to break a sweat. But don't get too carried away. It's tempting to think that quality, but that's not true with shorts. You need to optimize your videos, and that's where AI tools like Vid AI come in. They help optimize your content for virality. And don't just slap a cute cat video on there. Pick topics that resonate and drive traffic. Now, what if I told you that you could be running 10 YouTube Shorts channels all in different niches and not have to break your back managing them? No, this is not a joke. With the help of AI, you can scale your efforts, making content from multiple channels across multiple niches without constantly grinding away at your desk. This is the future of passive income, my friend. You're not just sitting around making 1 or 2 channels. You can literally build an empire. And get this, AI will do most of the work for you. You know what that means? More time for the fun stuff, like counting your digital dollars. But here's the kicker. Don't go thinking that the AI will do everything for you. Sure, it can handle a lot of the heavy lifting, but you need to be a smart marketer. Identify niches that are profitable, understand your target audience, and keep the content relevant. So, let me give you a sneak peek at what's possible. Let's say you use this AI system to create a short on best places to retire with $1,000 a month. The video takes you less than 30 seconds to create, and you upload it to YouTube. Within hours, it starts getting views. But here's where the magic happens. You can directly link this video to your longer content, driving traffic from short straight to your monetized long-form videos. And yes, you're making money from both. Multiple revenue streams, baby. And hey, if you think this sounds complicated, stick with me. We're simplifying every step. You just need to focus on making smart decisions, and the AI will handle the rest. Alright, now I want to hear from you. What's your get money quick idea? Drop it in the comments below, and I'll let you know what I think. No judgment, just honest feedback. And hey, if you're serious about stacking up those digital dollars, hit that subscribe button right now. I drop new tips, tools, and strategies every week to help you dominate the world of digital marketing. Remember, in digital marketing, the smartest work wins, so keep learning, keep earning. If you're ready to take the plunge deeper into the world of YouTube and AI-driven marketing, head over to TheAIMarketingSchool.com. We've got all the tools, tips, and insider secrets to turn your hustle into a business. See you in the next video.